Hey viewers, welcome to Mom's Recipes. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and share, which motivates me to do more videos. Today I'm gonna do vegetable sambar. Fennel seeds, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. 1 small onion, 3 dried chilli, garlic, curry leaves and coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes, 5 to 6 brinjal and 3 drumsticks. I have boiled 200 gram tur dal and 1 lemon sized tamarind water extracted. Let's see the boiling process. I'm adding half spoon of salt and half spoon turmeric and finally 1 spoon oil. We have to keep it for 1 whistle and keep it aside, and let's see the process of vegetable sambar. I've taken 2 to 3 spoon of oil. When the oil is heat, all ingredients all the seeds have to add. Garlic, onion, curry leaves. I'm adding 1 small spoon of hing here, which really helps for digestive. Add another half spoon of salt. Please remember, we have also added salt while boiling the dal, so check the taste and then later if you want more you can add. Chilli, 1.5 spoon chilli, turmeric, and then I added tomatoes. After boiling tomatoes, add brinjal. Let it cook for some time. Now add drumsticks. Not only brinjal and drumsticks, if you have carrot and all, you can even add. I added 1 spoon of coriander powder. Now mix the boiled dal. Stir well. Add some coriander leaves. Now mix the tamarind water. Mix it well. Again, the choice is yours. If you want the dal to be thicker, add less water. And waterish, you can add more water. I added 2 glasses of water. Now close the cooker and let it cook for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, let's see how it's. See, the vegetables, everything is boiled. Finally the dal is ready to serve. Add some coriander leaves on top. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe my channel not to miss future videos. Thank you for watching again.